First Connect, a new platform on Discord for robotics communication and competition, has officially launched. Collaborate with Outreach, connect with businesses, and earn some challenge money in a new, more responsive place for those in every level of First. Then, show your friends and family, and we'll help them get started in the world of robotics and engineering. During the seasons, our growing community will help solve technical problems and administrative ones, and encourage bigger, more international outreach that involves everyone. And, starting in August, we'll be hosting a new robotics or design challenge every month to keep engineers engaged and students learning, with a cash prize for the winner. On behalf of the Thunder Penguins, Wiring Warriors, Mech, and Titanium Talons, good luck in this year's competition, and we'll see you in First Connect.